The drive pawls fit into the transmission drive shaft and engage with the pinion gears to drive your lawnmower's wheels. Over time, the pawls will wear and can eventually shear. When this occurs, the drive shaft will rotate, but the wheel won't turn. Replacing the drive pawl is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front wheel. I'll use a 2x4 to prop the lawnmower up. I'll remove the wheel nut, and then slide the wheel away from the axle. I'll remove the large washer behind the wheel. Now I'll remove the retaining ring that secures the pinion to the transmission shaft. With the retaining ring removed, I can pull the pinion away from the shaft and remove the pawl. Now install the new drive pawl. One end of the drive pawl has a shoulder to hold it in place. I'll insert the pawl into the opening in the shaft, and the shoulder sits against the shaft. Now I'll reinstall the pinion gear. I align the slot in the back of the pinion gear with the drive pawl. You never want to grease the drive gears, because the grease will attract dirt, which will quickly wear away the pinion gear, and especially the plastic gear on the back of the wheel. Now re-secure this assembly with the retainer. And I'll reinstall the large washer. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the wheel. And now you know how to replace the drive pawl on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.